I want to talk about strength workouts. Strength workouts today. Very important. A lot of searches on it every month. A lot of people want to know about how to get stronger. One of the problems is that they just don't know how a muscle actually functions. Now I want to talk about both isotonic and isometric exercise, so we understand the difference. Isometric exercise is when you push against something that won't move. You can't generate enough muscle force to overcome the resistance. That's what isometrics is. Isotonics is that you can generate enough force to actually move the weight. So if you're doing a barbell curl like this or a dumbbell curl, that's an isotonic movement. Generally, they're repeated a number of times, anywhere from a low number of repetitions to a higher number, from as low as 1 to 2 to even 20 to 25. So that's how isotonics go. Isometrics, on the other hand, as I just said, you can't move the resistance. So there's two different types of exercises, and they meet the muscle requirements for conditioning, for strength workouts. Now what I've done in my work is I've learned about the muscle architecture. The muscle fibers are different and respond differently to different types of exercise. So if you want to hit the muscle fibers that are involved in the isotonic workout, by definition you have to do repetitions. You have to do more lower weight, and then you'll develop them. Pure isometric exercise will not develop the same muscle fibers as the isotonic exercise will. Conversely, the isotonic exercise cannot meet the demands of those fibers that are fully involved in the isometric type of exercise. So that's why you have to combine both. And this is the basis of my strength training program. I have all my clients do both. They do an isotonic workout and they do an isometric workout. They combine them both. Now the isometric is very, very demanding. We know from the research that's been done over the years that a very, very brief maximal contraction of 5 to 10 seconds is all that's required to stimulate the muscle to respond to the isometric exercise. That's just the way it is. And then the period of rest thereafter has to be longer so the muscle can fully recuperate. This is not true in the isotonic type of exercise, where you only need a day or a couple days to recuperate from that. It's just not nearly as demanding as the isometrics are. But that's how do you optimize improvements in muscle strength? You do it by combining both of these methods. This is not something that many people know anything about. And it's the basis of my newest book, Insane Strength, Maximal Muscle Growth, where I teach how to do all these things and set up routines and programs that you can use to improve your strength by the use of both isotonic and isometric exercise. I'm Dr. Greg Ellis.